violence is a reoccurrence, a cycle that goes on and on and on and on. And when women don't want to face up to their part in it, and men don't want to face up to their part in it, children don't want to face up to their part in it, grandparents, it goes on and on and on when a woman allows a man to punish her child or their child because she has to stay favorable to the situation. It's either me or her. When a man shuts down, when every time he gets home, he is beaten down by the woman he loves. When a child stops saying, I am being hurt, because when that child comes home and says, somebody did this to me, the first thing that child gets is a slap on the face so hard you would think it was Mike Tyson's gingerbread fist coming for you. We are all responsible for not saying, for not admitting the truth to ourselves, for not forgiving ourselves, for not stopping with this nonsense. When you are in school and it is apartheid, the teacher is finding ways to punish you for not getting an answer right. You just came from a home that when you left, you were so thankful, like, oh, a vacation away from the bullying and the smacking and the clapping and the banta and all that, that I'm going to school to be amongst people. Then on the way, you get bullied. And just when you think you're done inside, now we're in the yard where it should be a safe haven. No, there is a teacher Tsutsuzu or a teacher so-so. This one, her way of punishing children is by lifting them to be in midway, yeah, like being held by the feet and the hands up. That's what they call moyeng, in the air. And you get smacked on the buttocks with either a pipe or a belt, anything that will stick and leave marks. Or a teacher who will take a ruler, a thick wooden ruler, all numbered nicely and straight, and put your fingers on the desk and whip those fingers, not with the blunt side, with the sharp side of the ruler. Then you still have to go use those fingers to write. And when you get home and tell them that what happened, you get another smack and told you're stupid. These are the things we grow up with. No matter what race, no matter what color you are. I have seen it happen too many times, and this shit's gotta stop.